Just beyond the skyline of Dubai, past the rhythm of the city, lies a different world. A world of calm waters, open horizons, and quiet luxury. Yachting through the world islands feels like slipping off the map. Time slows down, the noise disappears. Only the wind, the water, and the soft hum of the yacht remain. Each island offers its own silence, its own view. Nothing rushes here. Nothing needs to. This is not just sailing, it's an escape. A private journey through a sea designed for stillness. Out here, freedom isn't loud. It's peaceful, effortless, endless. In this video, we'll explore two yachts worlds apart in design, origin, and spirit. A journey between elegance and resilience, between luxury and legacy. They couldn't be more different. One built for comfort, the other for conquest. And yet, here they are, sharing the same waters. Each telling a story of what it means to endure, to evolve, and to belong in a city that embraces both beauty and grit. Around the world, and particularly in Dubai, yachts are almost always modern creations, sleek, luxurious, and made to impress. Just like this one, they move like a dream, all glass, curves, and quiet power, as if the sea itself was designed just for her. Another vessel waits. No polished chrome, no designer lines, just steel and scars from her past life. This one was built to break ice, not hearts. Back in the 1960s, Burt Roberts was a sturdy Canadian icebreaker, forging safe paths through frozen waters at remote northern seas. Tough, reliable, and built to endure. She served years in some of the harshest conditions on Earth, but time changed her course. Rescued from retirement by a private dreamer, she was lovingly transformed, reimagined from steel and strength into grace and elegance. Today, Burt Roberts sails far from the ice, a private yacht unlike any other. Once a vessel of survival, now a vessel of serenity. Gliding through warm waters with the quiet dignity of a life well lived.